Meet the all-new Maruti Victoris, stylish, efficient, and packed with features. Safety is a priority in the Maruti Victoris. It's rated highly in the global NCAP tests and comes with ADAS features like lane departure, warning, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control for a smarter, safer drive. As we can see on the screen, strong hybrid can give up to 28.65 km per liter. Petrol manual can give up to 21.18 km per liter. Petrol automatic 21.06, petrol all-wheel drive automatic 19.07 km per liter, and CNG manual 27.02 km per kg. The Maruti Victoris is available in a total of 10 color options, including both monotone and dual tone variants. These color allows customers to personalize their SUV to reflect their individual style. So the color options are Mystic Green, Eternal Blue, Arctic White, Splendid Silver, Sizzling Red, Magma Grey, and Bluish Black. The infotainment system of the Maruti Victoris is 10.1 inches touchscreen that has Apple CarPlay and Android connectivity, 6 speakers audio system, and has voice commands. 7-inch color TFT MID shows speed, trip info, fuel efficiency, gear position, and economic score. The Maruti Victoris, a perfect blend of safety, style, and technology. Ready to take the wheel?